Okay, number one, how did you do number one?
I found the
Y.
Okay, so point first. Gavin, you got that?
Yep.
So we got
Dude, I
two,
was digging around.
and what's that gonna be?
No.
I was digging around in my belly button.
Oh, yeah.
That was nasty. I need to do a better job washing that.
What do we get for our point here? We got one,
-3.
we got negative
Yeah,
three,
it's gotta be
Yeah,
negative
for
3.
Y.
so negative three. Okay, and then what next?
That's a good
You found the
The
derivative?
slope.
Slope,
Does it need to
okay.
be preserved forever?
Yeah.
So how we find our slope?
Picture.
We get 2 minus 3x squared, right?
Mhm.
I'm just making sure I don't forget it.
So f prime of 2, you get 2 minus 3, 2 squared, which is,
I was wrong on that.
Oh, that's negative 10.
I'll show you
10.
Uh,
So what is our slope going to be for this thing?
110.
How do we get from negative 10 to 1/10? How did that happen?
It's the, reciprocal of it.
Okay, negative 10 is our tangent slope. So our normal slope is our negative reciprocal. So what is our equation for our line here?
A plus 3
5 plus
Oh,
3.
This is Gavin's job.
Whoa, whoa. Who's
Thanks.
Oh, my bad. I meant 1 day.
110.
So it's going to be
110.
1/10
X minus 2.
x minus 2, okay?
There he is.
Thank you, Amy.
And what happens, I've been looking ahead at our test we're going to have next week, and it goes through normal lines. It's going to have stuff like this on. Plus, I'm working on a test review thing, which I'll probably give to you on Monday.
Nice.
By the way, I didn't, I sent you away for, over the break with that, remember that exercise 5?
No.
Nope.
No. Can't say I do.
Okay, well, I think it's going to be a great.
I'm sure it's somewhere.
I'll give it to you again. Anyway, here we go. That's going to be it, right?
Yeah.
So that's it right there.
Nice.
Okay, and then this one here. Did you do this one?
I enjoy doing
You
this.
do this
I
one?
started
Get to
it.
it. Thanks for resting my time. You get it now.
You go ahead and do this one. And 2 is kind of indicative of how some of these problems are. They have you sort of put different things together. You gotta look at it, think what's happening.
Ooh.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
For what?
Ew.
For what?
Who's that? See, look. Show me Crocs. Crocs for Jimmy.
It's cheating.
And Nice.
That's not. That kind of looks like D on the baby.
Okay, what is the slope going to be here?
1.
Okay, how'd you get 1?
Cheater because you solve for Y and this one.
So we get y is equal to x plus 11. So m sub t is equal to 1. And then what?
Then you take the derivative of that,
Y prime is equal to,
2x minus 3. And you
and
just plug in a Y for 1.
so we go ahead and take this 1. So we get this 1, it's 2x minus 3.
Yes.
And so 4 equals 2x, x equals
Dose.
2, and then one other thing, right?
And then you gotta plug in,
Is it 210?
you gotta plug in that. You gotta plug in x equals 2 and 2 is
So at at x equals 2.
Negative 2, 9.
Oh, really? Okay.
No, it's negative
No,
2.
No, you said negative 2.
2, comma negative 2.
Oh, I'm talking about something else.
So that's going to be negative 2, right?
Well,
So point is going to be
negative.
2, negative 2, all right? Yeah, so again, I don't see anything that's anything close to hard on this problem, but what's the challenge on this?
Knowing what to do.
Yeah, know what to do, just kind of putting the pieces together on it,
Pour
right?
me a Coke.
Right? So
I'm just
that's all there is to it, really. Okay,
Yeah.
all right, next, let's go to,
Yeah. You can talk. Okay.
yeah. Okay, we have this little thing, and we worked a few problems that were somewhat, Kylie, we worked some problems that were sort of, did you watch video last night for class? I sent out.
Yeah, I started to. and then-
Started to. At the end of the class, we sort of worked over some problems that were kind of similar looking to this.
Sorry, Mr. Griffin.
Oh,
Mr. Griffin.
Oh, yes. That's amazing.
Where'd Hannah go?
With Emma somewhere. Emma stole it.
You go get my schedule.
I kind of think it's doing it before now, somewhere. Just sneaking. It's not, it's what?
Sorry.
Yeah, I know, I'm just gonna walk by. I'll be like, oh, I was just getting something from my car.
I get 4 tickets and I have 3 people coming.
What?
I get 4 tickets and I have 3 people coming. Or 2 people.
So what you're saying is that I can get it for free now. That's what I'm hearing.
Yeah, if I have them.
Okay. Oh, except this is being filmed. I'm not gonna sneak in.
Is your boss still watching a live stream? What'd you say?
He's like, be on the lookout for that rescue kid.
My mom is making me practice getting out of my dressing room so I can film in 5 minutes.
Fun.
Oh, because you're homecoming, right?
Yeah. I gotta practice CLA
Yeah.
and I'm gonna sell some songs and dance.
That's true.
Yes,
I've told you that I'm working on my pilot's license, right? Have I told you about that?
on your,
Like pilot's license, like.
oh, yeah.
You know how much math goes into that?
There's quite a bit, it's trigonometry for one thing, right?
Yeah, have you ever seen like the calculator that they use?
No,
After I finish this page, I think I have mine in my truck. If you let me get it, I can show you.
oh, that'd be really cool to do that. Yeah, I believe that should be really good.
Person's gonna go,
Uh-oh.
Or you so good at sound effects, it's ridiculous.
I don't know. I don't know how to got my humor. Probably my dad.
Yeah. Dude, I've seen your family in a minute. How do they do?
You'll see him tomorrow.
Hmm?
See him breakfast.
Oh.
Yeah, they're all right.
Yeah, Carson, I still remember last year that, that riddle you had about these
Right,
two
cabin.
hikers came into this cabin.
Cabin in the woods.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Whoa. What?
Hey, Carson, why do you get from a Georgia town?
Yeah, you missed out on that, Aaron.
And then, no.
Maybe
I was
that's,
gonna say skin milk. That
that was a 6th period.
Oh, yeah,
Riddle.
because you were in 6th period. Yeah.
Why are you in 6th grade?
Yeah, what a loser.
Okay.
So Kylie probably might remember that,
Oh, you were in 6th period. What a loser.
the cabin.
So,
Oh, last year?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember that.
should I share it? Should I share the riddle?
No, not right now.
About the cabin and the airplane and the guy?
Yeah,
I agree.
I remember
I
that.
remember that, yeah.
I remember y'all trying to figure it out and I had no interest in it.
It was Colonel Mustard.
It'll be-
Observatory.
it'll be,
Yes.
something for another time.
I haven't played Clue in that.
Same. When I was little, my cousin wanted to be Colonel Mustard for Halloween 3 years in a row.
I was always a green fan. Stick 'em up. What?
It's like a little beat that the crab plays in the Little Mermaid.
Okay, I'll put it up later, I got it here.
Oh, what is it?
Okay,
I guess.
let's go over this one here. Got it.
We're going over it?
Yeah, did you do this one?
See, I didn't recognize it at first. No, I did.
Did you do this one?
Oh, shoot. I don't know how to do it, to be honest.
This is a scavenger hunt, right?
So you just
'Cause
plug
you
in
need to
these two
have-
numbers? Because all it wants is the slope.
You need to have slope of the line, normal.
I think I know how to do it.
Okay.
But I mean, I can't promise. See, like, I feel like that's it, but I don't
Mr. G, you do
Oh,
any senior,
know.
junior war pranks when you were in high school?
Any pranks?
Like junior?
No, I didn't get involved in any
Why?
He
pranks.
was a good kid like me.
Good morning.
Dude, none of my pencils have an eraser. What in the heck? Look at this.
No, I did get it. What happened was, I think I was trying to get into the right Google account, and I did get into it and see it, so I have it, have it for available for display. Thank you. Bye. Thanks, bye. Just trying to make sure I have it scheduled. So,
4.5 is 9 over 4. No, 9 over 2.
So right now, I mean, just the way I look at your differentiable functions, so, and you have this minus this, so I'm thinking h prime of -1 is going to be equal to f prime of -1 minus 4 g prime of -1. Does that sound right?
Yes.
Okay, do you see the logic for that? Because we have that. And what happens, I always look for snakes in the grass on this thing here. What would be a snake in the grass?
There is a snake in the grass.
What would be a snake in the, what do I mean when I say snake in the grass?
I think you mean there's a little sneak.
Yeah, there's sneaky stuff, right?
Yeah.
And so I would look for maybe these to be multiplied by each other, or to be a quotient of each other, or something like that would complicate things. But I don't see any such complication here. So I think I'm probably good with what I have here, right?
There's no snakes in the grass?
So yeah, I don't see any of those types of snakes. I don't see a product rule or quotient rule snake,
Yeah.
or any kind of complication like that.
Absolutely.
I'm literally so dumb.
See snakes.
And see,
Dennis.
snakes in the grass are what you look for when you work any problems in my class or in life, whatever. You look for things, exceptions that could give you trouble.
What about when they're in your class?
Snakes in my class, haven't had that happen yet.
You haven't?
No, not yet.
Uh-uh.
I found a snake in my bedroom one time.
Oh, did you? Okay.
I'm serious. Like a
In
little
your
garter
bed?
snake.
I like
My bedroom.
snakes.
Oh yeah, I
There's a snake in
got
my bottom drawer where all my pants are. I like opened it one day and then snake
Okay. Okay, guys, let's
I have
bring it back
scorpions.
here.
We have scorpions all around. the grass.
So anyway,
This is the joke.
I'm gonna say this is gonna be equal to, this looks like, is that gonna be 0.3?
C. No.
No.
Oh, it's gonna be 0.5.
5.
All right, good.
That's the snake right there.
That was a snake that would have got me, but unfortunately you're paying
It's
it.
4.5.
So we have this minus 4 times, and g prime is gonna be this thing right here, right? So we'll have 0.5 plus
Four.
4
That's 9 halves.
equals
Yeah.
4.5 or 9 halves, right?
I did 9 halves because it was easier to take the opposite reciprocal.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay, very good, very good. So he's kind of thinking ahead, and that helps do that. And so that's gonna be m sub t, and so what's gonna be m sub n?
Negative.
Negative 2/9. And we could actually write an equation for a line if we wanted to, but do we want to do that? No,
No,
we don't want to do
I'm
that.
good.
Yeah, we're good. Okay. Let's see here.
I'm sure, you want me to go try to see if I can find that calculator real quick? In my car?
Yeah, go ahead and look at that. Well, for somewhere I got negative 2/7 on this other one. 3/5. Oh, okay, I made a mistake over
You made a
here.
mathematical.
Yeah, this is not right. So it's gonna be,
Wait. Well, then how? But, oh.
oh,
It wasn't
Sure, it wasn't
snake,
bad.
it's a G.
I was so
She's waiting
confused when
outside.
Hannah walked in. I thought there were 2 hands.
I saw Emma sit down and I was like, that's not a hand.
I know, we're so smart.
No,
What does she want?
She was writing stuff down, so.
yeah, she did your work.
She has good handwriting.
Mr. G,
Sometimes.
did you notice?
yeah, I did.
Oh.
Oh, sure you did.
Why did she take you?
Liar.
Huh? Why were you stolen? Why were you stolen?
Oh, because she needed proof that we were twins so she could get a vote in the house.
The other day for pink out, she tried to hand me a voting pass. I was like,
Becky was supposed to take our picture, but then she left to go take someone else's picture.
I was like, bro, this bus ain't
I
ready.
didn't talk to her. I didn't know what to say. She was like, we can look at you for the ring.
Yesterday my pencil broke and all the lead dropped on my bed.
I should have said something to her to see if she would have tried to imitate your
You
voice.
know, like, okay,
Should
have you ever bought like,
Yeah. So I missed an
and it has like, it has
opportunity.
like those weird like teeth things in it?
Yeah.
I still find those in there. And I'm like, and it's like so hard to get out. And then I end up ripping the blanket too. Kill myself. I hate myself.
I'm so mad at you.
They're like poking this solid.
No.
Why are you being your chin?
That was so funny.
I told her to ask you, like,
It's my alarm clock.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
My cousin can make a pie.
Okay, here we have a calculator problem right here.
calculator.
Becky keeps
So-
looking in here.
So
It's
same-
like, yeah.
Same type of thing, but using your calculator.
See if Carson's calculator can,
Wait, calculator?
yep.
Why are you using a calculator?
Can we go take a picture for yearbook? That's why she keeps looking in here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You can take your,
A picture for yearbook. I'll be right back.
Okay. Don't worry.
It'll actually be me next time.
No, it'll be Emily.
Mr. G, my calculator is at home on the charger.
what is it? What happened
I
is,
forgot.
did anybody see these t-shirts around today? People wearing these t-shirts?
I did.
All I've seen today are kids dressed as bananas.
Yeah.
I really don't.
What
I walked
happened
out
was-
second period and there were 2 bananas standing in the hallway. And then 2 ghosts passed him and I was like, what's going on?
See, I got 2 twin day things going today. I got with the English department, I got this.
Oh, Miss, Hot was wearing that.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm twinned up with the English
You're
department.
right.
Double twin, you're.
Yeah, and then I'm with the Algebra 2 students wearing this, so. Yeah, all these homecoming activities. I can't find my calculator!
I got it. You're welcome. So what we can do is negative, that's not negative.
Now, in this one here, are we given a point initially to work with? No, we're not.
Leave nothing.
Oh, I like when it doesn't give me the stinking answer. It's like that would be negative 2/3 is the x,
So you have -3
if my calculations are correct.
equals -4. And so we have 0 is equal to, if we add 3, we get 0 is equal to -4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 2. Is that what you get if you add 3 plus 2?
Yes.
We have 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 2.
Oh, I think I was wrong.
So what I like to do is just,
Where'd you get +2? Oh, that's why, okay, yeah, you're right.
you know, what I do for that, and the reason I do that is I try to make it like a x-intercept. It makes it, for
Wait, well, why
me,
is it negative?
easier to spot the solution. Oh, yeah, I missed that one. So I gotta change that. So it's gonna be subtract 3, so it's gonna be -1, or -4, right?
That's,
So now that's right, isn't it? I don't know where I got that -3 from. Let's go fix that. So I can just fix that. It'll be -4 down here. So -4. Now we should be good. Is that what you got? That it looks like?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then we're being asked the equation of the line, tangent. So for x value, let's go to this. You can do it a bunch of different ways. One way I like doing these is just making another equation and then finding intersection, second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. So we get this -0.667, is that what you got?
yes.
So what I want to do is, my recommendation for these, where something depends on something else, is go out a lot of decimal places. So I'll say -0.67765. Okay, so that's going to be our x coordinate, and then our g of -0.67765 is equal to, so we can plug that in here. So -0.67765 storage x, and then we have x to the 4th power, and then that's going to be x to the 4th power plus 2x cubed minus x.
Accidental matching.
Accident.
Completely a coincidence.
So here's what we get, right? -0.6, is that what you got for that?
Yep.
So we have x and y, so y equals -0.0450, we'll call that.
My tummy's growling.
That's 3 decimal places. So we have our tangent line. What is our equation for a tangent line?
Why?
Y plus
Oh, plus
0.0450 equals 3. And then we have x plus 0.676. We can get rid of 3 decimal places now. We don't need to use it. So put 0.678. So that should be it, really. Let's see what we got from last year. It was worked out. I didn't have that worked out. All right. So what we have next are these exercises here, which are going to be kind of coincident with our test we're going to have probably early mid next week. So really that's going to be it on this.
Not final with the